conversation on the Buffs when he gave me this pendant. It's Archangel Michael. It says he brought it from Rome. He gave it to me to have. It's cool stuff. Good things coming, baby. Good things coming. No more living in the past. Keeping the vibrations high. We're gonna make it. With the gray beard. All gray. It's all good, baby. It's all good. Love all you guys. Can't live in the past. Can't live with lack. For all you guys out there that are lonely, sit in silence, know thyself, and go within. Everything you